Hi everybody! So it has been a while, and I do have a couple of videos that are coming, but today we are going to be doing a Raku, and I'm doing a Raku with two other potters who've never done the Raku before, so that'll be fun. I don't mind doing like a little bit of in-person teaching, and it's always just kind of fun to see people doing it for the first time. So I'm looking forward to that, and I've got about 4 pieces. Yeah, I got 4 pieces that I'm going to be firing. One potter has 2 pieces and then the other one has like 4 or 5. So we'll see how many we get done. I'm not sure. It kind of depends. It is a pretty nice day today, pretty hot. There's a little bit of wind, but not a ton. So hopefully that means that we can get quite a bit of firings done and get through everybody's pieces. I'm probably going to be doing the first one just so that I can kind of show them how it's done. And because actually, over on my Instagram, I am doing a big dragon themed thing. So if you like dragons or you like fantasy stuff, feel free to check it out. It actually involves having a giveaway, so I'm giving away one of my pieces for people who participate throughout the month, and it's just kind of fun. I have a different dragon I post every day. Everybody gets to help me name them, and that gets you the entries into the giveaway. So if you're interested in that, please check it out. Like I said, it goes through August, and if you're just hearing about this now and you're worried that you've missed a bunch of days, you can always go back and suggest names, and I have like a little highlights on my Instagram that has all the previous days and stuff, so you can go through and you can read the whole story, and like all these dragons that we're meeting and stuff like that. It's just kind of a fun interactive thing, and my followers are just loving it, and it's always a kind of a fun thing I do in August. This is probably the last year I can do it, which is kind of sad. So if you want to do it and you think it sounds like fun, do it. Join, participate, because it's probably going to be the last year I do it. So anyways, that out of the way, doing my little promo out of the way, today we're just going to be doing a Raku, and I have a couple of different Raku glazes I'm doing, which is different. I know before my videos have usually just been, you know, mica, terracotta, gelata, horsehair stuff. I do have one of those, but I do have 3 other pieces that are actually just Raku glazes, and we're going to be doing reduction and all that jazz. So here's the terracig plate I have. Then I've got these 2 that are both the same glaze. So this is kind of how it's supposed to turn out. We'll see. And then we've got one that is fire dance. I have a harder time getting the copper to turn out in my Rakus, so I didn't do as big of a piece. But we'll try it and see how it goes, and hopefully it'll be cool. Welding gloves so that, you know, we don't burn ourselves and stuff when we're trying to pull out the pottery. And then this trash can here has the sawdust in it. We've got our tongs to pull out the pottery, and then over here is where we have the 2 trash cans that we're going to be putting the pottery in. So here's my Raku kiln. I got it from Peter's Pugger when I went to Ensika like 2 years back. So this is what it looks like inside. We can fire quite a few pieces, so I'm hoping we can get through everybody's pieces. So here's the Raku kiln, and it's connected via propane, and that's fed in here. And then this is a clamshell, so we'll open it up, pull out the pottery, and it'll go into those trash cans covered with sawdust, and that's how we fire the pieces.
Okay.
Here, I'll do this and then you can film.
Okay.
Ooh, I just heard a crack. I know, I heard that.
That is so pretty. Look at that. Inside.